Welcome back to the Executive AI series. Today we're looking at a capability that solves a problem every modern leader recognizes: the gap between where work begins and where decisions need to continue. Imagine this. Your engineering team kicks off a Claude Code session at the office. You leave for a board meeting. A few hours later, in the back of a car or between flights, you want visibility into that work. You want to review progress, approve a direction, or unblock the team. Until now, that meant waiting until you were back at a desk. Remote Control changes that. Claude Code Remote Control allows a session running on a workstation to be securely accessed from Claude Code on the web or from the Claude mobile app. The work continues on the original machine. You simply gain a window into it from wherever you are. Here is what that looks like in practice. When a session is started in remote control mode, the system generates a secure connection point. From there, the session can be opened on a phone, a tablet, or any browser tied to the same Claude account. The experience stays identical. The same tools, the same configurations, the same files. Nothing migrates to the cloud. The work stays on the machine where it began. For leadership, 3 points matter most. First, continuity. Conversations stay in sync across devices in real time. A note typed on mobile appears instantly in the terminal back at the office. Decisions don't have to wait for proximity. Second, security posture. Because execution remains local, sensitive code and infrastructure never leave the controlled environment. Remote control is a viewing and input layer, not a data transfer. Third, scalability for senior teams. On max team and enterprise plans, leaders and their delegates can spawn additional sessions remotely. That means an executive can initiate parallel work streams, review them on the move, and hand context back to the team without friction. The strategic takeaway is simple. Remote control turns Claude Code from a desk-bound tool into something that travels with the decision maker. It shortens the loop between leadership attention and team execution, which for most organizations is where time and money are quietly lost. In the next module, we'll look at how to structure governance and access policies around these capabilities so that flexibility scales without compromising control. Thank you for watching.